So first of all, the Canvas homepage may be different in your case. If you're working for an institution or an educational college, they may have their own version of Canvas installed, or they're hosting with Canvas, and they may have a custom link there just so that the branding of the school is inside of the link. So it may be canvas.yourschool.instructor.com. Either way, just check with your technical support if you're not sure about that. So you should see this page right here with a user login, and you can check to stay signed in if you're using your own computer at home or at work, because that way you can log in without having to each time retype in your password. If you're in a public area and you're using a public computer, you may want to leave that unchecked so that somebody else can't go into your course. So I'll go ahead and log in. Once you've logged in, the Canvas homepage screen will look like this. You will have the main area where the global activity stream will be shown. And by global activity stream, they mean activities from any group you're in or other courses that you're in will be assembled here. If you see an assignment or a notification, you can hover over it with the mouse and click on Show More to go to that actual notification. Then on the right, you have the sidebar. And this lists the top 5 assignments to be done right now. If you're an instructor, it would show the top 5 assignments that need to be graded. If you don't have 5 assignments, then you'll just see however many are due. Then right below that, you'll see the top 5 assignments coming up next week. And again, if there's only 1 or 2 assignments due, then you'll only see that. And for the instructor, of course, this means these are the top 5 assignments that you're deploying in the next week. You can further go to the calendar to get more detail on that. And then right below that, you see the recent feedback, which lets instructors know about the assignments, feedback they've gotten from students, and then students can find feedback from the instructor in this section. And then below that is the Start a New Course button, so you can start your own course from here, unless your administrator has disabled that function. And what you see here at the top, this horizontal bar, this is the global navigation for Canvas, and this navigation will always be at the same place, so you won't always have to go and look for it. The Canvas logo will take you directly to the Canvas homepage or your homepage in Canvas. The courses list here will show the courses that you are teaching or taking, and you'll see whether or not you're enrolled as a student or as a teacher. If this list gets really long, which it will if you've been teaching enough courses or taking enough courses, then you can customize that list by clicking on the Customize link here. You will then see the list of courses you're taking or teaching, and you can simply uncheck any of the courses you don't want to see on this drop-down list. And if you're making a mistake, you can click the Reset button so that the original state will be restored. The next item here is the assignments. Now you'll see assignments from all the courses you're teaching or taking in there. So whether you're teaching, then it'll show assignments that you need to grade. If you're learning as a student, then you'll see assignments that you need to still do. The next item on the global navigation is the Grades tool. And from here, you can access all the grades for each course that you are either taking or teaching. If you're only teaching one course, then you'll automatically be taken to the gradebook. And the next item on the global navigation is the calendar, and that'll also have a video about that further in the course. The Canvas global navigation bar has one more area that's always visible wherever you are in Canvas. You'll see your name in the top right corner. You'll have your inbox, the settings, which leads to the notification settings, which will come up in the next video. Then you can log out if you're using a public machine out of a Canvas. And then finally, the Help button. If you click on your name at the top left here, it'll take you to your bio page, and from there you can click on Edit Profile to make changes to that. So you can add your bio, you can add some links. It's fairly simple, and then click Save Profile. If you want to change your profile image, what you have to do is click on the settings here to the left, and then click on the actual image to change your profile picture. So if you wanted to upload an image, you would click on Upload New Image, Browse, and then search your computer for images. After that, you click on Open. Then it'll spin a while it's adding the image, depending on how large the image is. And when it's finished, you can select the new image or go back to a different image, and then click Select Image. The next item on the list is the inbox, and this is where your conversations take place, whether they are discussions or messages that are sent within the Canvas system. You can see in this case, this person has one message waiting through this notification icon. From within your settings, you can change your full name as opposed to your display name, and your display name is just what other students and other instructors will see when they see you post in your course. You can also change your language, your time zone, and add web services such as Google Docs, LinkedIn, Facebook, Skype, and this basically allows you a pass-through from within Canvas directly to those other third-party services. And then also it allows you to add access tokens, which may be helpful later in this course when I show you how to do an LTI integration with a third-party product. And then on the right of your settings page, you can add another email address if you want Canvas to contact you in several places, several email addresses. You can click on Edit Settings to make all the changes that you need. If you want Canvas to contact you in different ways, such as an SMS message or a different email address, this is where you would add the contact method. You can add your cell phone number, select your carrier, your wireless carrier, and then register that address so that Canvas can contact you whenever there's new notifications. And if you don't want to get more emails from Canvas, you can get rid of your extra email address. Simply click on the trash can icon. Now you'll also notice that from the settings page you can access the profile page as well, but you can also access the notifications, the files, and your ePortfolio link, as well as go back to your home page. The last two links are the logout button, which is only relevant if you're using a public space to log on to Canvas, so you don't want someone else to log into your Canvas course. And then finally there's the help button, which allows you to contact an instructor if you need to, if you're a student. If you're an instructor, you will see just these four items here: search the Canvas guides, which is the manuals for Canvas, whether or not you want to report a problem if Canvas is behaving erratically, and whether or not you would like to see a new feature incorporated in Canvas.